is just starting to poke out now. Starting to get nice.
Yeah, it was pouring to rain this morning, so we had to stay in the truck for a little bit. Drove around and wasted a little bit of time, but hey, now it's turkey time. See what happens. Might be coming up with a different game plan for the morning. Especially we don't hear a damn thing here all day. Huh? As long as we sit. Yeah. Hope and pray that we get a fucking retarded turkey to come in.
Come on, Jake. Jake from Slate Farm.
That's fine.
Where are you at, bro?
Come on, man. Help a brother out. Let me put a turkey call in. Here, turkey, 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 turkey. No, there ain't no turkeys out here. Fuck.
No, I'm doing fantastic. I'm out turkey hunting, motherfucker.
You're doing a great job turkey hunting, too. You're an absolute boss, baby. Dude.
It's a turkey.
Yelping, right?
Yeah, it's a hen.
It just sounds like it. Nice. Got our first turkey herd of the day. It's just a hen, but hey, we gotta be optimistic. We gotta start somewhere. Hey, you hear that cow?
Okay. I come from the old...
Yeah, right there it was again. Alright, so we're just walking around the property and we just had one hammer over here. He's gobbled 3 times so far. So we're gonna try to close the distance a little bit. We don't know which side of the ditch he's on yet, so we're gonna try to get a little closer and listen. Yeah, so can't really sit up here, so we might as well walk slowly up to over here and see what we can come up with. And then we'll sit down and give it a fucking little bit, you know. Oh yeah, for sure. You probably should lead the way in case we do get where he popped. We might want to set up fucking over here, so in case he comes down the ditch line, we can shoot out there too. I don't know. What are you thinking? So we had a hen yelping up here this morning. We were making her move around. We heard so far, I think 3 gobbles for sure coming from this side. And since we've crossed over here, we can hear a hen yelping over there. So we're going to set up, and it's going to be a little tricky for us to shoot this and film and everything, but see what we can do. Yep. There. Get him? Run up there. Fuck yeah.
Dude, you get him off.
the bigger beer in.
Oh my god.
Dude, come here, baby.
That was like fucking awesome, dude.
It changes.
Dude, too bad you didn't get out fucking film though.
I don't
I
give a
wanted to
fuck.
wait, but they were like lifting their heads, like looking right up at us, like.
because
Like, I see something.
because I wanted to try to get him to give a little more coming in.
Dude, that was a
Dude.
far ass fucking shot, dude.
Dude,
I'm like,
fuck
dude, I don't
yeah.
think I'm gonna fucking make
Dude,
it.
you're
It was every
really
bit of
good.
50 fucking yards. Oh, fucking camera.
Fucking camera.
Damn it, man. Sorry, camera.
It's all good. I can tell you another way of doing it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. Yeah, it's about 25 yards to this log.
And it was calling it like 23.
Yeah.
So you're probably at fucking 37, 38. But I mean, look at that shit. Yeah, look at all the fucking shit you're shooting through.
Yeah. I'm spurs. Dude, it's an older bird too.
Dude, yeah, them spurs look fucking nice.
My biggest turkey I've killed.
Dude, brother. Got it freaking done, man. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it, man.
I love you, man.
I love you, brother.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
just glad I get to have someone to come out here and do shit with.
Unbelievable, those freaking.
Dude, bro, I'm still just on cloud 9 right now.
Yeah, me too.
Because we literally was fucking rain this
Like,
morning.
I started getting the shakes too, and I'm like, dude, just calm down.
we talked about that today too. Fucking took one fucking morning, bro.
Yeah, fuck yeah, man. It's 9:47 right now.
Dude, I'm fucking. Am I alive right now? Or
Yeah.
am I just fucking dead already?
Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Lord.
Right?
We fucking did it, though. We freaking did it.
Oh, yeah.
My brother.
Beautiful fucking bird, though.
Alright, fucking. Watch out for that slick shit.
Oh! Yeah. As he says, watch out for that shit. He's go sliding in. Yeah, we both. Man.
You up?
I got wet feet. It didn't work out as planned.
You got Crocs, too.
Yeah. What's it matter? We don't even got anything to do besides
Yeah.
celebrate.
But hey, 2024 turkey season, fucking.
It's in the books. It's under wraps now.